प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। स्वागत है आप सबका स्टडी क्वेश्चन चैनल पे। आज हम 9th क्लास का पार्ट नंबर 3 एटमॉस्फेयर एंड क्लाइमेट के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे, ठीक है। और लास्ट तक वीडियो को जरूर देखिएगा। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द कंपोजिशन ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर। तो आंसर है, द एटमॉस्फेयर इज ए मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेस दैट सराउंड the earth. Composition: nitrogen 78%, the largest component. It is important for plant growth. Second, oxygen 21%, essential for respiration and burning. Third, other gases 1% include argon, carbon dioxide, neon, helium, etc. Carbon dioxide trap heat and cause the greenhouse effect. Ozone is the troposphere protects us from harmful UV rays. The atmosphere also contains water vapor and dust particles which help in cloud formation and rainfall. Question number 2. How do the different layer of the atmosphere affect the planet Earth? तो आंसर है, the atmosphere has 5 main layers. Each layer plays specific role. फर्स्ट है ट्रोपोस्फियर, इसकी हाइट होती है 0 से 12 किलोमीटर और इसका इफेक्ट है ऑल लिविंग बींग्स लिव इन देयर लेयर। दूसरा स्ट्रेटोस्फियर 12 टू 15 किलोमीटर इसकी हाइट है, कंटेन द ओजोन लेयर। थर्ड मीसोस्फियर 50 से 85 किलोमीटर, द कोल्डेस्ट लेयर, ठीक है। फोर्थ थर्मोस्फियर 85 टू 500 किलोमीटर, ऑरोरा लाइट आर सीन हेयर। Fifth, exosphere 500 km and above. The outermost layer it merges with outer space. Question number 3. What is the mechanism of monsoon? तो आंसर है, monsoon is caused by the differential heating of land and sea. Mechanism of southwest monsoon. Summer monsoon. First, in summer, land get heated faster than the sea. Second, a low pressure area develop over the land. Third, wind blow from the high pressure area over the sea to the low pressure area over land. Fourth, these moisture-laden wind burn heavy rainfall to most part of India from June to September. Mechanism of northeast monsoon, winter monsoon. In winter, land become colder than the sea. Second, high pressure area develop over land. Third, wind blow from land to sea. Fourth, these winds pick up moisture from the Bay of Bengal and bring rainfall to Tamil Nadu coast and October to November. Question number 4. How can we reduce our carbon footprint? Answer है, carbon footprint is the total amount of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere due to our activities. Way to reduce it: first, use public transport, cycle or walk instead of private vehicle to reduce fuel consumption. Second, save electricity, switch off light, fan and appliances when not in use. Use LED bulb. Third, plant more tree absorb CO2 from the atmosphere. Fourth, use renewable energy like solar energy and wind energy. Fifth, follow 3R: reduce, reuse, and recycle to minimize waste and pollution. 6. Avoid plastic and use eco-friendly product. Question number 5. What is atmosphere? Explain its composition with the help of a pie diagram. देखो ये pie diagram है, इसमें आप देख सकते हो 78% क्या है हमारी नाइट्रोजन गैस, ठीक है, 21% हमारी ऑक्सीजन है और बाकी सारी ये अलग अलग गैस हैं, ठीक। नाइट्रोजन 78%, ऑक्सीजन 21%, ऑर्गन 0.93%, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड 0.04% और अदर गैसेज 0.03%, ठीक है। तो एटमॉस्फेयर इज द ब्लैंकेट ऑफ एयर दैट सराउंड द अर्थ, इट इज हेल्ड टू अर्थ बाय ग्रेविटी, ठीक है। तो अब कंपोजिशन ऑफ एटमोसफेयर आप गैस और परसेंटेज दे सकते हो। नाइट्रोजन 78%, ऑक्सीजन 21%, अदर गैसेस 1%। अदर gases include argon, carbon dioxide, neon, helium, etc. The atmosphere also contains water vapor and dust particles. Question number 6. Draw a labella diagram of the structure of atmosphere. ठीक है, ये structure of the atmosphere है। इसमें आप देखो सबसे पहले आपकी ये ट्रोपोस्फियर, ठीक है, the lowest layer, all weather event like cloud, rain, wind and on this layer. Second our stratosphere contain ozone layer which protect from us the harmful UV rays, ठीक है। फिर आपकी mesosphere, meteors burn it the layer। फिर आपकी thermosphere, very hot layer, ठीक है। फिर आपकी exosphere, the outer layer is gradually the other gases। Question number 7. Which are the four main season of India? तो आंसर है the four main season of India are cold weather season December to February, hot weather season March to May, southwest monsoon season June to September और fourth retreating monsoon season October to November। Question number 8. Why do you not feel the pressure of the atmosphere? तो आंसर है we do not feel atmosphere pressure because first the internal pressure of our body balance the external atmospheric pressure. Second, we have been living under this pressure since birth, so our body is used to it. Third, air is also present include our body, so we do not feel it weight. Question number 9. In which layer of the atmosphere do aeroplane fly and why? तो आंसर है aeroplane fly in the lower part of the stratosphere. Reason है first this layer has very little turbulence and strong winds. Second the air is in thin so plane face less resistance and can fly faster. Third it is above the weather cloud and storm of the troposphere so flight are smooth and safe. Question number 10. Distinguish between the following. A. Troposphere and stratosphere. तो पहला है troposphere extend up to 12 kilometer from earth surface. Second, all weather phenomena like rain, cloud, storm occur here. Third, temperature decrease with height. Fourth, all living being lives in this layer. फिर है stratosphere first extend from 12 to 50 kilometers. Second, no weather occur. It is clear and calm. Third, temperature increase with height due to ozone. Fourth, jet plane fly in the lower part of this layer. Second है the southwest monsoon and northwest monsoon में difference. So पहले southwest monsoon first है occur from June to September. Second, wind blow from sea to land. Third, bring rainfall to most part of India. Fourth, wind are moisture laden. फिर है north east monsoon first है occur from October to November. Second, wind blow bow land to sea. Third, bring rainfall mainly to Tamil Nadu coast. Fourth, wind are dry but pick up moisture from Bay of Bengal. देखिए इस चैप्टर के सारे अच्छे क्वेश्चन थे। आप कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं कि आपको आंसर किस तरीके के लगे और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही। मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।